Welcome to the channel. What if you could find exactly the person you need, a tech founder, an engineer, just by typing it out in plain English? This AI tool is going to change the way you network forever. Alright everyone, what if you could find the very best person you need? You're probably thinking, if only I could find the right person and make the right connection, everything would fall into place. So who do you need to find? Do you need a founder? Do you need an engineer? Do you need a teammate? Or do you just need a friend? And what if you could simply type it out in English and an AI would help you find them and connect? Yes, you can actually do that. Find the right person. Just imagine what could be possible if you had the right network. I'd say anything could be possible. You can find people in your networks using AI, and that's what Happenstance does. But it's not just happenstance, no pun intended. So, what are you doing here? Just type what you want in plain English. I'm looking for a boo. No filters, no advanced tricks, nothing like that. You can find founders, engineers, investors, designers, PhDs, maybe even the love of your life. I'm not so sure about that last one, but you can definitely find the right people for your business. So, if you want an early stage AI founder, or you're after the next big name in crypto in San Fran or San Diego, or you need a designer to help with your UI UX, it's all possible. Do you feel like you create amazing content, but it's getting lost in the YouTube algorithm? If you want to shoot to the top quickly and dominate your niche, let me introduce you to YT Ranker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open an incognito window so our browsing history stays fresh. We'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's search for a few terms here. Let's try proxy for you. And as you can see, I'm right at the top. Now, proxy for you tutorial. There he is. My video is right at the top, and that's all down to the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytrranker.net, where visibility delivers real results. Let's get back to the media. How does it work? It simply makes an instant network connection, so you get access to Gmail, LinkedIn, Twitter. It even integrates with Slack, so you can search through your team's connections. Then you just combine your network with a friend or colleague, whoever it may be, and that opens up the connection. After that, you just tag it in Slack, forward an email, and it searches for you. No dashboard, no extra tools required. It just fits seamlessly into your platform, and it's backed by some big names. As we can see here, even Y Combinator is getting involved. Happenstance is by far the best social network search I've ever seen. So it's already being used by Y Combinator, founders, and major VC firms. They're smarter than keywords. It uses AI to match you with contacts, not just job titles, and you can run searches straight away. You actually don't even need an account. Yes, you can create one, but if you just want to run a search and get started, you can do that too. You can see the product here, all the integrations, features, pricing, contact details, and careers. So if you're looking for the next best person in your network, I'm just going to keep it simple with this one. If you want to find the right person, Happenstance is here. They'll connect you. Used by big names, Pelagi, Y Combinator, Illicit, Odyssey. There are no barriers at the moment because you can find anyone and they can find you. Make those connections and make those amazing things happen. It's not just happenstance. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell to know when I post more videos. Any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.